Hello John, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz and Sprinter in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you for the phone call today on this 2020 crew van 4x4 blue gray. Very nice looking van. We're going to do a nice walk around. Normally we would do a test drive, but with the COVID-19 going on, we're not getting in the vehicle with two people, so I wanted to let you know that up front. But we'll get some nice video of it. So we have a nice chrome grille on the front of this Sprinter van. We're going to come around to the side. So this van, we have the black painted wheels, which accents the blue-gray very nicely. This van does come with an electric step for easy access in and out of the van. So when you open this side door, you have this nice big step to get in and out of the vehicle. And then you were asking me about the comfort seats. So the bench seat, this is the leatherette seating. And I was telling you about the reclining. So this does have the comfort seat package. So you can see that seat reclines back nicely. So whoever is sitting back here as a passenger, is nice and comfortable. And also these seats are removable. There's a lever underneath of the seat. You just pull the lever, it releases the latches, and two people can simply just pop the seat right out very easily. And you had mentioned that you and your wife want to do some traveling in the van. So this van has 10 feet 4 inches of total floor space. I apologize, John, for the little bit of cardboard in here. We just got this van in last night, but so with the seats in, you can see you still have a lot of storage back here. There's plenty of room to put in a bed. Typically, folks put the bed up to this first rail right here, and then you have all kinds of storage underneath of the bed area if that's what you choose to do. Also, this comes with a nice trailer hitch. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds behind this Sprinter van. Very nice. Now, John, we're going to go around to the driver's side. I'm going to open the driver's door. I wanted to show you too. This is where your fuel filler is, right here. Easy access. The driver's side door needs to be open. Now, this van does come with the comfort seat package. I'm going to show that to you right here. So there's a knob right here on the seat back that adjusts your seat back forward and backwards. This lever right here is to raise your seat up or down. And then right here, this is a dial for your lower lumbar support for your lower back. And this knob right here, I'm going to kind of move a little bit. This is to lower the front of the seat down to take pressure off the back of your legs. And then this piece right here, this is a seat extender, and it moves up for an extra 2.5 inches to help support the back of your legs. And then also here in the door, I'm going to step back for just a second too. Your heated seat switch is right here. I'm going to have my videographer get a shot of that for you. And then you can see, she'll get a nice shot of the dash and everything. You can see how nice and well equipped this Sprinter van is. It's beautiful inside. It has 4 cup holders for easy access with your drinks. The system in here too, we can pair a cell phone so you can do hands-free to talk. And if we could jump in the van together, I would display the backup camera. The backup camera in this van is in the rear view mirror. It works very well. You can see your trailer hitch. You can see everything behind you. It's a very nice view. So John, I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please feel free to call me back with any questions. You can reach me on my cell phone at 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.